What I learned being shy for 18 years is that emotion is the color to life. Nobody talks about this because everyone is so busy talking about being nonchalant and cringe. And honestly, I'm kind of embarrassed to admit that I learned this too late. Everyone says to ghost people that it's cool to not care, is that you have to be stoic and show zero emotion. Wrong. Emotion is the color to life. I'll say it again. This is a fantastic social skill to possess. This is why the Italians are so full of life. It's why I feel so pumped up right now. If I was just speaking to you. Uh, 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 Bro, you'd already clicked off. It's boring. Emotion is entertaining. It's fun. It's energizing. The emotions are. The emotions. The Italians are so full of life. They're so charged up because they're emotional. Now, I don't mean emotion in a bad way. Because there's the good and the bad way to use emotion. But if you are speaking to someone and you look like Squidward, they'll never want to speak to you again. It's because you look like you're not interested, which is disrespectful to them. What I mean by show emotion is that don't be afraid and don't be shy to show excitement. Don't be afraid to go high and then go low. Everyone says emotion is weak. But just look at some of the best athletes in the world. They're excited, they're angry, they're happy.
Straight to believe we're breaking free falling, flying, and not starring that we can't reach. It was trying.
This video I just showed you was of Weston McKennie. He plays for Juventus, one of the best teams in the world. And you can see he's just happy. He's singing. It's a nice day. He's with the boys. Imagine telling that to one of the cringe boys like be nonchalant. They wouldn't get it. Bro, I literally remember being 16, 17 years old and taking stoicism way too seriously. That so much so that it was actually boring because I showed no emotion to literally anything. It's not about not showing or not having emotion, it's about using it in the correct way. If you have emotion and if you show it, it would improve the situation, then you should show it. But if the emotion you do have, if you just let it out and it would make the situation worse, that's when you should keep it in. It's like being angry during a football match. If I'm angry, I shouldn't just kick the opponent because I get sent off. This is the same. What athletes do is that they do not let emotions control them. Now, okay, sometimes, but most of the time they have them under control. And there is a fine line to this. You must choose which emotions to act upon. And that is the real challenge. Because if you see a puppy on the street, there's nothing wrong with petting it or speaking to it in that cutesy voice. That's not cringe. What I just did probably was. But if there was an actual puppy, it wouldn't be cringe. That's just being a normal, functioning, healthy dopamine human being. Being nonchalant is cringe. Having emotion is not. You're not early, you're not late, you're just on a different timeline. See you, bro.